All right, here we go. Fourth video. I gotta make it quick. I'm running out of battery. So this is what I did, because in the prior video, I think it was number 2, there was some condensation on the inside of the drip pan. So I've insulated it with self-stick cork so that it doesn't condensate. And I also realized that possibly some of the condensation was coming from the crack. There's a gap, wasn't sealed between the pan and the flashing. So I sealed this with Loctite foam, minimal expanding, so it doesn't warp or crack anything for windows and doors. That'll stop any air intrusion going between the flashing and the bottom of the pan. This will seal it up and stop the condensation from occurring on the outside of the pan on the inside of the A coil. And if this works, then I've understood a little bit more about the process of how this thing, all this works. So hopefully this will solve the issue. I'm hoping them stress fractures are not going to leak. They're just stress fractures and they're not going to leak water through. We'll find out tomorrow. And I'm going to run this thing for a couple days and I'll get you an update. And if we're still leaking, then the cracks, the stress fractures are leaking water through. But if it stops sweating, then we solve one problem by sealing up the pan to the flashing with a foam and stopping the condensation on the pan with a cork. So I'll keep you posted. Over and out.